So the Grace family started Marquis back as Port Stevens Joinery back in 1979. Marquis provide a range of bathroom vanities, shaving cabinets, mirrors. We also do tall boys and all kinds of bathroom furniture. So really we do specialise in the bathroom industry.
I think one of the key differences here at Marquis is that Alan and Phil and the Gray family generally are extremely focused on maintaining very rapid throughput of their products. So we really had to work in very closely with both Woodtech and Marquis to ensure that there was minimal disruption to the production schedule.
At the beginning of 2024, we've had some pretty big upgrades. We've had a new machine as well as a barbaric storage system and a mezzanine installed. So our factory is ever evolving.
It is quite a large process, getting all these machines hooked up and getting cabinet vision to talk to the machines. But Planit do a great job integrating into the machines and make it talk to Woodtech and get everything working quite seamlessly. So yeah, it's working quite well.
Working with the Marquis over the time I've spent here, I've been developing a solution that allows them to send programs from S2M Centre directly to their barbaric material handling solution, which will then optimise the materials, deliver the materials to the machine and let everything run automatically.
So the barbaric machine greatly increases efficiency for the factory. It takes away the manual handling. The robot will load it for us. The barbaric machine also automates the stock control and the inventory and instead keeps it online and it can be accessed from all different computers, meaning we can take stock even if we're not here.
Commissioning a new machine in a manufacturing facility is a huge investment for a business. So one of our core values is working closely with both the business and the machine company to make sure everything is delivered on time and as efficiently as possible.
At Planit Australia, we really pride ourselves on the fact that we have deep connections throughout the industry with players in different sectors who we work in partnership with, like we are today with Marquis, to help deliver these solutions to push businesses further forwards.